adventure. Framlingham Castle. I've been here the last time I was here in England. I was close by, so I wanted to show you guys.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed.
Walking the grounds of the castle. Gonna cross the moat. See if we can get some good photos and videos on the back. I believe there's some water on the other side. The last time I was here, I can't remember. But let's check it out. I wasn't going to do castles this time in England. I was going to wait and show you guys some castles in Scotland and Ireland. But I rolled past it, so I'll show you. There's that water I was talking about. I'm currently walking in what will be known as the moat. I came up on some kids listening to gangster rap music. You know, it had all kind of curse words and derogatory terms. So when they see me walking up, they turned it down. That's funny.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep.